In this video, you are going to see how to rotate a picture in Microsoft Word document as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let me insert this picture from my computer. Click on Insert. Then, if you want to move the image freely, click on over here, go to Picture Format, go to Wrap Text and click on In Front of Text. Now you can decrease the size and you can move the image freely anywhere in your Word document. If you want to rotate it, there are two options. Here you will see a small arrow key. You can rotate it in the custom range anywhere in your Word document like this, or there is any other option. Click on over this, go to Picture Format and go to Rotate, and you can rotate right 90, rotate left 90, flip vertical, flip horizontal, and you can go to more rotation option and you can rotate from here. Let me write here 30 and click on OK. Then it will rotate like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.